If you are looking to get a paver patio installed, here are some tips to consider. Number 1. Patio type. Do you want concrete or paver stones? Concrete patios are cheaper than pavers and less labor-intensive, but concrete patios cannot be installed over existing concrete and can crack. Paver patios are expensive and labor-intensive, but they can be installed over existing concrete and can last longer. Number 2. Pricing. Prices vary by installer, so shop around for a reputable one with photos of their work. Number 3. Warranty. Find an installer with a warranty and submit your payment within the warranty requirements of the contract. Number 4. Lead time. The lead time could be 6 months or more depending on where you live. Number 5. Approvals and notifications. Utility companies need to be notified to mark the utility lines prior to digging. Property lines need to be marked prior to digging. HOA approvals with written plans and fees may be needed. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Number 6. On installation day, confirm the blueprints and contracts with your contractor. Number 7. Installation time. This can take a day to weeks. Number 8. Water drainage. A good installer will spend a decent amount of time leveling the ground to make sure the water drains off the patio and away from the house. Number 9. Sealant. The sealant will protect your patio and will need to be applied every 3 to 5 years. More details on this are on my blog https://talesfromthetimid.com. Number 10. Yard. Some of your yard will need reseeding, mulch, or resodding. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.